Good morning, dear parents. Good morning, student. I am welcoming you online teaching for the session 2020-21. Myself, Vandana. So, children, today we will see class 4th English, lesson 5, Tenali Rama and the Thieves. Lesson 5, Tenali Rama and the Thieves. So, here in this story, Tenali Rama was a famous scholar and poet. He was a jester in Krishnadev Arya court. There are many stories that tell us about his wit and humor. Here is one story you will enjoy reading. Before starting this story, children, I will tell you this story is totally based on folk tale. Means that a folk tale is an old story that's been told again and again, often for generations. If you are interested in learning more about your heritage, you might read some folk tales from the country in which your great grandparents grew up. Folk tales are stories in the oral traditions or tales that people tell each other out loud rather than stories in written form. Means that actually folk tales are those stories in the oral tradition or tales that people only tells each other or in loud voice or in loud rather than stories in written form. They are closely related to many story telling tradition including fables, myths and fairy tales. Every human society has its own folk tales. These well-known stories handed down between generations are an important way of passing along knowledge, information and history. So this story is based on, or we can say that this story is in folk tales. So in this Tenali Rama and the Thieves, first we will know that who is Krishnadev Arya. So Krishnadev Arya was the famous king of Vijayanagara Empire. He ruled the Vijayanagara Empire at the most important time. He ruled the Vijayanagara Empire at the most important time. He is considered to be one of the great kings of India. But it is known as a golden age. At the time of Krishnadev Arya accession to the throne, the condition of the empire was unstable. He built Vijay Mahal, Hajara Rams, many temple and Vitthal Swami temple at Vijayanagar. Krishnadev Rai repaired and restored many South Indian temples. Tenali Rama was an Indian poet, scholar, thinker and a special advisor in the court of Sri Krishnadev Arya. He was a Telugu poet, generally known for the folk tales, which focus on his wit. Tenali Rama did not receive any formal education during his childhood, but became a great scholar due to his thirst for knowledge. Ramakrishna held an important position in King Krishnadev Arya court. He attained the status of a folk hero when he was the court poet of Krishnadev Arya. But at the same time, he composed serious works on religion. All the stories of Tenali Rama tell us about his relationship with the king, his wisdom, and his problem-solving capabilities. So, Tenali Rama and the Thieves. I am reading this lesson, children. Please listen it. Tenali Rama was a famous scholar and poet. He was a jester in Krishnadev Arya court. There are many stories that tell us about his wit and humor. Here is one story you will enjoy reading. One night, before retiring to bed, Tenali Rama saw two men moving about in the bushes near his house. He was sure that they were thieves. Tenali Rama thought of a clever plan to catch the thieves. He went into the house and told his wife about it. After a while, Tenali Rama said in a loud voice, "Dear wife, always be careful. Keep the doors and windows of the house closed. Have heard that there are many thieves in the city." Making sure that the thieves were hearing him, he continued, "I am really worried about the safety of our precious jewels. It is not safe to keep them in the house. I think we must hide them somewhere." "Where shall we keep them?" his wife asked. "Where shall we keep them?" his wife asked. "I have kept all the precious jewels in this box. Help me to carry it to the well. We will lower it into the well. The thieves will never know." Tenali Rama said in a louder voice. The thieves heard all that Tenali Rama said. He and his wife in fact, had no precious jewels. They carried the empty box to the garden and lowered it into the well. Then the couple went back into the house and closed all the doors and windows. The thieves who were watching all this from behind the bushes were very happy that we are indeed lucky, said one of them. It's a golden chance, said the other. Then the two thieves slowly crept out of the bushes and went towards the well. Let's draw out all the water from the well, one of the thieves suggested. That's a good idea, the other thief said. So up to here only. So once again we will see this one, Tenali Rama and the thieves. One night before retiring to bed, Tenali Rama, one night after all the work, retiring all of the work, and what he saw that two men moving out in the bushes. So what he saw that some man or two men moving about near the bushes out of his house. He was sure that they were thieves. So Tenali Rama here sure that, first of all I am telling the meaning of scholar. Here meaning is studies and have a lot of knowledge. Tenali Rama was a famous scholar. So scholar means that studies and have a lot of knowledge. Yes, Tenali Rama have a lot of knowledge. Gesture here meaning is by telling stories in funny way or in funny jokes. Okay, Tenali Rama always telling stories in a funny way or funny style, jokes and all that. Here, humor meaning is making you laugh. Court here meaning is the place where crime are judged. Court means Krishna Devari court. So here all the people and they are deciding the place where crime are judged. So one night before retiring to bed, Tenali Rama saw two men moving about in the bushes. Bushes means small plant with many stem. Small plant with many stem. He sure that they were the thieves. Tenali Rama thought of a clever plan to catch the thieves. So here Tenali Rama decided or take a clever plan to catch the thieves. He went into the house. So he went into the house and told his wife about it that the thieves near our house and I am having one idea. We have to catch these thieves. After a while, Tenali Rama said in a loud voice. So, after all discussion with his wife, Tenali Rama said in a loud voice so that thieves also hear all the what all talking inside in the home. Dear wives, always be careful. So here Tenali Rama and his wife both are saying that always be careful about all the jewels. Keep the doors and windows of the house closed. All the windows and the house closed. Why? I have heard that there are many thieves. Why? Because I have heard that there are many thieves in the cities. Thieves means a person who steals things. Okay, so many thieves in the city or in our street or in our cities, around our houses, making sure that the thieves were hearing him. He continued making sure, and the Tenali Rama sure that what all both are talking, that the thieves were hearing him. So that he continued, I am really worried about the safety of our precious jewels. So Tenali Rama said that I am always worried about the safety. We are having a lot of precious jewels in our house, so that I am always worried about. It is not safe to keep them in the house. So it is not safe place to keep all these jewels in our house. Better we have to put it somewhere. So his wife to ask that where we have to keep all that precious jewels. I think we must hide them somewhere. So Tenali Rama tells that better we must hide all these jewels somewhere so that it will be safe. Where shall we keep them? So um, Tenali Rama wife asked that where shall we keep all these jewels? His wife asked his. So Tenali Rama silently for a minute and told that I have kept all the precious jewel in this box. Better I have one box, so we will put or we will kept all the precious jewels in this box so that it will be safe. Help me to carry because it is not safe in our house. Help me to carry it into the well. Better we will take this box it to the well. We will lower it into the well. What a good idea. So the thieves will never know. So the thieves will never know, Tenali Rama said in a louder voice. So that Tenali Rama said all this in a louder voice so that thieves also hear all what all the matter going on in the house. The thieves heard all that Tenali Rama said. He and his wife, in fact, had no precious jewels. Precious means of great value. Precious means of great value. So, he and his wife, in fact, have no precious jewels. They carried the empty box. They only took the empty box to the garden near the well and lowered it into the well and lowered it into the well. Then the couple went back into the house and closed all the doors and windows. So they moved back and went into the house and closed all the doors and windows, so that when they back into the house they closed all the windows and doors. The thieves who were watching all these, the thieves who all were watching all these matter from behind the bushes were very happy, because they were very happy. Why? We are indeed lucky, said one of them. One of them said that actually we are very lucky. Why? Because it's a golden chance, said the other. It's a golden chance, said the other, that then the two thieves slowly crept. Crept here meaning is to move very quietly and carefully. To move very quietly and carefully. So then the two thieves slowly crept out of the bushes and went toward the well. So they went to the well, moved to the bushes, and let's draw out all the water. So they are decided that, well, first of all we will draw out all the water from the well. One of the thieves suggested, that's a good idea, the other thief said. So this one is the good idea. First we will do this one. We will draw out all the water from the well. So children, up to the page number 54 only. In the next video we will continue page number 55, the rest of the part of this lesson. Lesson 5, Tenali Rama and the Thieves. Okay, thank you children.